All right, so if you're here, that means you love Instagram. You love taking photos, and I'm sure you know how to edit or you're learning how to edit. Whatever the case may be, you are welcome. My name is Ral, aka Love Glam, and I am the face behind this channel or in front of this channel, however you want to look at it. But either way, that's not the point of the story. The point of the story is that I am here today to offer you guys two free presets that I created. These are the very first presets that I've ever created. And I went about creating these presets because I got a lot of questions on my Instagram regarding how I edit my photos using Lightroom, or how I got my photos or my feed to look aesthetically pleasing. I am here to show you guys how to edit your photos. But before we actually hop into that, before I show you guys how to A, go to my website, B, download the presets, C, how to install them on your phone, and D, how to edit the photos, I want to talk a little bit about presets. So I want to treat this as a beginner. So if you already know what presets are, great. But if you just stumbled upon this video because you're really just trying to elevate your editing skills, you are also welcome. So I'm going to explain a little bit. So what is a preset? Presets are basically like filters. So if you're familiar with VSCO Cam, it's kind of like VSCO filters, but just a little bit more elevated because it is produced and used in Lightroom, which is basically one of the offsprings of Adobe. So there's Lightroom, there's Photoshop, and a whole bunch of other ones. So it's kind of become popular recently because a lot of bloggers began to use them on Instagram. And it's kind of a way to edit your photos and have a consistent theme. So I have bought presets in the past because I had to learn how to use them. I have also found free presets in the past, but after a while, I kind of came up with a style that I like for my feed, and these two presets are pretty much how my photos look on my feed. If you go through my feed, you're going to see a running theme of these two presets, and you can actually get a free Lightroom Mobile app. You don't have to pay for it, but if you do want to pay for it, there are some settings that I will be showing later on that are premium, so you will not be able to access those unless you have the paid version of Lightroom. And the paid version is, I believe, $15 Canadian a month or $10 USD, and it has a lot of Adobe softwares under it. So you get access to Photoshop, you get access to Lightroom, you get access to a whole bunch of other things. I believe InDesign, I'm not sure. But the only two I really use are Photoshop and Lightroom. So that is what Lightroom and presets are in a nutshell. And that leads me to the next question that I wanted to address, and that is pretty much, is downloading these presets going to solve all of your Instagram editing problems? And answer is no. You want to always seek out other ways to elevate your editing. So this is a good stepping stone. And once you've mastered how my presets work, you can move on to finding other presets or even creating your own. Who knows? But don't stop at, okay, I have Ral's two presets and I'm set for life. No, I'm not even set for life. I'm always elevating and changing up how I edit my photos. And I feel like we are also in the time frame of a lot of curation. So we are kind of boxing ourselves. So I would highly suggest use the presets, but also feel free to play around with other colors. You don't have to have all washed out browns or all like blues and oranges in your photos. Like, play around with it, be free. Editing is fun, it's photography, just have fun with it. So yeah, venture out, have fun, research more. There are tons of free presets on YouTube alone. So I suggest that in addition to mine, look for other free presets on YouTube and download them and experiment with them. So the presets that I've created that you guys are downloading are strictly mobile presets. You cannot use them on a desktop. So if you have a desktop Lightroom, unfortunately, you will not be able to use them. Maybe in the future I may release a desktop one, but for now these are strictly mobile. And the reason why I wanted to do that is because I wanted something easy for you guys, something on the go, not something you have to open up your computer and edit and do all these things. I want you guys to be able to be on your lunch or whatever the case may be, on a bus, on an Uber, whatever the case may be able to conveniently edit your photos and, start on them on Instagram, if you know what I mean. And the next question I want to address is, are presets one size fit all? And the answer is no. So I'm going to be showing you guys on the second part of this video how to edit your photos and how to apply the presets to your photos. And you will notice that when you apply these presets to certain photos, it kind of clicks right away, and sometimes it does not, so you're gonna have to tweak. For me personally, I tweak all the time. So don't feel like when you download these presets that you must just paste it on a photo and that's it. Sometimes you'll paste it and you're gonna be like, whoa, 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 what is happening? So you're gonna go back and tweak it. Presets, I look at them as a stepping stone to kind of help you and guide you to edit your photos, so that way you're not starting from scratch. So it's kind of like it gives you some settings already and then you go back and tweak them, so then that way you're not spending like 20 minutes editing one photo. It's kind of quick. So that's how I want you guys to look at these presets. Don't look at them as a one size fits all. And if you pop it on your photo and it does happen to be a one size fit all for your photos, great. But there are a lot of things that go into photos. So the lighting, the composition, did you shoot it with a cell phone? Did you shoot it with a camera? Every photo has a different composition, a different deposits of reds, greens, blues, etc. I can wear black in a photo, you can wear red in a photo. The photos are going to turn out completely different if we use the same preset. So just experiment, have fun, don't be boring, don't be stuck in this it must fit. Just have a good time with the presets, guys. And a pro tip that I'm going to give you guys is I actually had to learn Lightroom last fall. I didn't know how to use Lightroom at all. So what I did do was I applied a preset that I bought and then I screenshotted all the settings. And then I freely played around just to kind of understand what does. And let's say I played around with them and I really screwed it up. I went back to those screenshots that I had on my phone and I just put them back to the originals, and that way you kind of know what is doing what, you know what I mean? So if you genuinely want to learn how Lightroom works, I would definitely suggest paying attention to the tutorial part of this video. The last pro tip that I want to give you guys is every edit does not look the same. So don't kill yourself. Let's say I take a selfie of this right here. I edit it today. And then maybe I edit the same raw tomorrow and it does not look anything like the first one. Don't beat yourself up for it. Literally, just like, I'm going to use a makeup terminology, just like your brows are not twins, they're sisters. No one edit is the same. If I edit the same photo that you edited and using the same presets, I'm probably tweaking it similarly as you are. We're probably going to turn out with different looking photos. So do not beat yourself up for it. Have fun with this. I just wanted to answer these questions, and if I'm missing anything, please feel free to comment below. Let me know what I'm missing and I will be more than glad to help you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy my preset. It was a labor of love. I just wanted you guys to have it because, you know, I feel like, you know, what's the point of knowledge if you can't share it with the people that you love, which are you guys. Now we're going to jump into learning how to A, go to my website, B, download the presets, and C, install them on your phone, and D, edit the photos. So let's jump right into that part of the video now. And of course, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Love Glam. Please do not forget to follow me on Instagram at ral.onyes. Please do not forget to follow my makeup Instagram at Makeup by Love Glam. And do not forget to check out my website at www.ralonyes.com. I love you guys. Bye.